Ever walked into a room and felt its mood instantly? That's the magic of layered lighting, from cozy corners to statement ceilings. How you light a room makes all the difference. Welcome to episode number 3 of Design Chronicles. I'm Kritika, founder and principal designer at House of December. Today we'll be talking about incorporating different types of lighting, how it can elevate any room's function and ambience. First up is ambient lighting, which is your general lighting. Ambient lighting provides overall illumination for a space. This is your room's main light source. Think ceiling lights, chandeliers, or recessed fixtures. Use dimmers to adjust intensity based on time of the day or mood. Go for warm white for cozy feel in living and bedrooms. Layer with task or accent lighting to avoid a flat look. So while designing any space or a room, it's always best to spread your general lighting evenly in the entire space, because this is going to be used for a general purpose for lighting the space well. Most important tip here is to add dimmers. Even if you're not planning automation in your home, dimmers can actually help you to adjust the intensity of the light, specifically in chandeliers, to adjust to your mood and ambience. Next up is task lighting. Task lighting is focused lighting for specific activities like reading, cooking, or grooming. Lights that help you get things done. Perfect for kitchens, reading nooks, and home offices. Position these lights to reduce shadows and glare. Use cooler white lights for areas that need focus. In kitchens, install task lights under cabinets to brighten worktops. Understanding the tasks involved in a particular space is very important to create even layered lighting in that space. For example, a desk lamp used in a desk of a study, or under cabinet counter lighting in a kitchen space for your prep counters, or even wall lights in your vanity area, which not only solves the function of the usage of those lights but also creates a great ambience. Next up is accent lighting. Accent lighting highlights artwork, architectural features, or decor elements. Angle these lights at 30 degrees to minimize glare and highlight texture. It is great for gallery walls, niches, or even indoor plants. In my design sensibilities, accent lighting is draw attention to what you love. It is the best source of light which can highlight an element or a feature in a space that you've designed or that you want to show off. It can be art, textures, and even architectural elements. This ensures that the feature that you've kept in mind while designing a space can be achieved with the right focus. For example, picture lights, uplighters, track lights to highlight specific areas that you have designed. Next up is decorative lighting. Decorative lighting adds personality and visual interest beyond functionality. Treat these like art pieces. Let them express your style. Ensure they complement the scale of your furniture and ceiling height. Use them to anchor a space, like over a dining table or a coffee table. Make a statement with structure or bold fixtures. They are a style and function rolled into a single piece. For example, statement chandeliers, designer pendants, sculptural lamps. It is not only a conversation starter, but think of it as an element of design which directionally talks about the design of the space into a single piece. Next up is natural lighting. Natural lighting connects indoors with outdoors, enhances mood, and reduces energy usage. Use sheer curtains to diffuse harsh sunlight while maintaining brightness. Mirror placements can double the natural light by reflection. Consider the room's orientation. East facing gets cool morning light, while west facing gets warm evening glow. Sunlight makes everything better. For example, glass doors, windows, skylights. Use as much as possible to get your natural light in. So lighting isn't just your visibility. It's about form, function, flow, and storytelling. The right lighting can elevate your interiors, enhance your daily routines, and bring your design to vision. When done right, lighting becomes that invisible thread that ties your entire space or your home together. Watch out for our next video. Save and share this video with someone planning their home.